With dual omnidirectional microphones, 3 recording modes that support real-time transcription and translation in 15 languages, and even AI to neaten up or summarize all of the recordings for you, and all that inside this tiny package, the Viaim Notekit is the perfect tool for your computer or laptop, so let's check out what this thing can do. So here we have the Viaim Notekit, and essentially it's a small USB dongle that you plug into your laptop or computer, and it's going to record everything for you, whether that be conversations happening in person, or maybe a phone call, Teams or Zoom meeting. Now, apart from being small and easy to carry around, I really like its tiny lightweight design coming in at just 8.5 grams, and if you take the protective cover off, we've got a USB-A port, and then we can actually pull that off as well to reveal a USB-C port. So whatever port that you've got on your computer or laptop, it's got you covered. So all you have to do is plug it in to your computer or laptop. Its white light around the LED ring lets you know it's powered on and it's able to record. And there's a small button on the side that you can press to disable the mic, and as you can see, it goes to a red LED to show you that it's not recording. Now, I can see this being very useful if you're in a meeting or something and you want to have a discussion off the record. It saves you having to do anything within the software side, and within a couple of seconds you can just disable it. And you've also got this red ring to visually notify you that it's not recording. If you hold the power button down, it also allows you to pair it with Viaim's earbuds, but unfortunately I don't have them to show you. So let's go ahead and try it out. Their application is available on Windows, Mac, iOS and Android, although to use the phone version you do need the Viaim earbuds, but of course I'm on Windows here, so I've downloaded the Windows app. So we'll start with the voice recording and we'll see how well it performs. So this is a test with the Viaim Notekit. I'm just going to talk about what I'm going to do here. So of course I'm going to test this audio with the live recording using the 2 mics. I'm then going to see how the transcript comes out. I've then got to film a whole YouTube video about this device, and then of course I've got to edit it, got to film some B-roll, and then I can upload it to YouTube and publish it. So that'll do for the test recording, so we'll finish and see what it looks like. So as you can see, the transcription is perfect, and it used the Viaim Notekit and its dual microphone to record the audio rather than using my device's built-in speakers, and these microphones deliver a 5-meter range, and as you can see, it's literally got every word spoken, it's word for word with no mistakes. Now, once you've got that recording, you can also play back the audio as well as read the transcript, and if you do need to edit anything for any reason, then we've got the edit button at the bottom right, as well as the Viaim AI. Now, if we try out Viaim's AI, I'm going to ask it to generate a summary, and as you can see, it's broken it down into different parts and then what I said I was going to do. As this was more of a to-do list though, we'll ask it to generate a to-do list, and as you can see, it's given me the to-do list on the right-hand side, and it's also given me these checkboxes so I can go through and check off the tasks as I complete them. Now for the video recording, if I enable that, you can see it's now listening to my computer's audio, so anything I play here is going to listen and do exactly the same as it was when I was speaking in person. So I've opened up an example Zoom meeting so that we get plenty of conversation to test the AI summary, and as you can see by the sound waves on screen, it's recording all of the audio. Now you can also press transcribe here as well, and it's going to give you the transcription on the screen as it records this data.
Do we have any today? No, I'll move on to item 4, late items. Any late items? No late items, so confirmation of order of meeting. No changes, Ken?
No, I don't see any need for change. We do have
Now if we skip forward to where I've let it record the audio for around 5 minutes, and again if we check the transcript, you can see it's recorded word for word exactly what was said in that Zoom meeting by each participant. Now again, if I use AI to extract a summary, you can see it shortens it down a lot for us, and it breaks up each section, making it much easier to read, and this is going to be a better format, especially if you've got to send it out to others. Now if we extract a to-do list, you can see it actually listened, and there's only one task in that whole transcript, so it's a quick way to find out what needs to be done from the whole meeting. And this feature works exactly the same for calls if you're going to take a call or meeting from the Notekit. Now another great feature is the live translation, and this works in all sections, whether it's recording using the Notekit's mics or if it's recording something from your computer like maybe a call or YouTube. So if I open up an example of French speaking and enable the translation, you can see on the transcript it not only translates everything for me on the fly, but it also shows me the original French text above the translation, so this could be useful if you need the transcript in both languages. And also, while we've used French as an example here, it actually supports up to 15 different languages.
Quelqu'un qui parle espagnol ou italien, je crois qu'avec l'italien, il a plus de 90% de mots qui sont proches, donc c'est une aide énorme.
Now, what I like about this solution is it really does cover you for every scenario, and even if, say, a colleague is hosting a meeting on their own laptop and they don't want me to plug the stick in, I can just set my Viaim Notekit to record it using its dual mics, and you'll still get the full transcript. For the rest of the app, the main screen shows us the audio connections, the earbuds and their connection, as well as shortcuts for all of the different recording modes. The next section is the transcript mode, and this is going to show you all of your previous transcripts if you need to download them, edit them, or just read or listen to them again. Now, under settings, you've got account details. You can select the default recording settings so you can enable anything you use regularly, like real-time transcriptions when recording. You can change the display ratio, which I actually changed to 150% just to make things a little bit bigger on screen. You can check for updates, and then there's also a link to their website or contact us page, and under advanced settings you can enable automatic finishing of recording when the system detects that the call's ended. So you can see this really is a versatile tool, and the highlight for me is just how small and light it is, making it easy to carry around, and then the fact that we've got a USB-A port as well as a USB-C port on the device just makes it so much easier, and I don't have to worry about adapters. I also like the fact that we've got this visual LED, so I know the recording mode thanks to the light around the Notekit, and I know if it's red then it's not recording, so maybe if I disable the mic it gives me that constant reminder that I need to enable it when I want it to record, and overall the software is just easy and intuitive to use. And when it comes to the unboxing, it comes in this packaging here. If we slide the box out and open it up, we first get the quick start guide, then we've got the Viaim Notekit below it, and that's it. Now, of course, I've placed a link down in the description below for their website where you can go ahead and purchase the Notekit. It's currently $149, which is a good price for a device that's so small, and it's going to save you a huge amount of time and effort with all your meetings. And I'm also hoping that I've covered everything for you guys in today's video, but of course, if there's anything I've missed or you've got any questions at all, then just ask them in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date with the latest tech.